What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We're on the way to 1,000. We at about 800, man. Y'all help me out. Hit that button, man. Let's get there. Remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right to it, man. We got the regular red and white Nike Dunk box. Even though they do have a special box pair, nothing special about this one. The special box for the special box pair is super clean. Same shoe, better box. I was able to secure my personal size in these joints from the sneakers app. Nike Dunk Low, Premium, Sesame, Blue Jay, Sail, and Sanddrift. Like I said, size 11.5 on these joints. Let's get into the shoe, man. No talking, no waiting. Let's do it. All right, man. Here we have the Nike Dunk Low Montreal Sesame Bagel. These joints released on sneakers app, like I said, and they released in Montreal, and that's where the special box pair came from. And I'll drop a picture of the special box here. And people were camping out crazy for these in Canada, bro. Super crazy. It was snowing and everything. People were still camping out. Has that all tan upper with the sesame seeds, man. These joints are supposed to resemble a bagel, so I think they did a really good job with that. Has tan on that toe box, man. The blue swoosh, blue heel tab with the Nike embossed on the back in white. Has kind of a special insole with the brown hardwood floor style material on the insole, man. These are dope. I do like these joints, man. They have like sail laces that's not a pure white. And one thing I noticed on this shoe that I don't see on any other dunks really is that tongue is actually leather. You usually see like a nylon or a suede tongue on dunks and SB dunks. I don't think I've ever seen a leather tongue on a dunk, especially not in recent years. But if you know a dunk with a leather tongue, man, leave it down below. Maybe I missed out, but this is my first time seeing it, or it's my first time noticing it for sure. Now, these joints did release for 120 bucks, man. Now, as far as material for them to up the price, the materials are pretty much the same. But I feel as far as the details, man, that $10 increase in price is justified, man. This is a dope colorway, bro. I like these joints for sure. Now, on that tongue, like I said, it is leather, and it has a white on white tongue tag, which you usually see one color, and then it'll be a contrast color with the stitching of the Nike. But they went white on white with this one, man, which I don't mind. I would like to see them maybe do tan or blue for the Nike stitching, but doesn't really bother me, man. Has a white midsole, a gel gum outsole, man, see-through gum bottom, man. These joints are clean, man. Some kind of soft leather around the toe panel and the heel panels, man. So the quality is there, man. I don't mind a $10 increase in price for this one, with it being like a special super detailed pair. Nike has increased the price to 120 on some regular dunks, man, with no details on them. So I appreciate them adding the details on this one if they're gonna increase their price to 120. Remember, all dunks used to be 90 bucks, 100 bucks. They keep ticking that price up little by little, but I don't mind it on this pair in particular. And like I said earlier, they do have a special insole on these, man. I thought it was a wood floor before I took it out, but it's actually like a wooden fence. Nice touch. I would have to look up the details behind the wooden fence. I'm not really sure why they did the wooden fence. What's the significance about that when it's a bagel shoe? Maybe it's something about Canada where they added the fence, something about Montreal. I'm not really sure, bro, but I just like special insoles. I love just additional details on shoes, especially if we're gonna pay a little extra for the shoe. I feel like Nike and Jordan brand and all these other brands could at least add some extra details, on the packaging, on the shoe, on the insoles, and just little things like that. Now, these joints don't come with any extra laces, but I do like the white laces on these joints. It matches the sesame seeds really well, so I don't mind white, but I would like to see like how blue would look, or maybe even tan, just to offset the color going against that tongue. That white on white, white lace, white tongue combination. It's solid, and I do like how it looks, but I just would like to see how another color of laces would look on these joints, bro. But definitely not complaining about that. I like the white laces and how it matches the sesame seeds, man. That's a nice touch for sure. So they did a really good job on these, man. Now, like I mentioned earlier, man, these joints did have a special box release in Montreal, Canada at Off the Hook. So you had to be there to get that special box. The special box is super dope, man. I love special boxes. I love special packaging, like I said earlier in the video, bro. But definitely couldn't make it up there to grab these joints, man. I have been to Montreal before, but couldn't make it up there just for this release, man. It wouldn't even be worth it like that unless you just happen to be passing through. But the box is dope, man. Even on a special box, prices aren't too bad, like around 200 to 250 for special box. These are going for like 160 regular box, bro. So if you're into special packaging like I am, man, if I come across like at SneakerCon, I may go ahead and grab it, but it's not that big of a deal for me. Not on these joints. Not that big of a deal breaker. But y'all do me a favor, man. Leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Did you cop them? Did you even try? Did Sneakers app sell out on you? And if you're in Montreal, man, let me know how you feeling about that special box, bro. I wish I could have it for sure, but I don't want to pay anything crazy just for a box, man. The shoe is the exact same. Didn't come with anything extra, I don't think. I think just the box was a little better, but y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Be honest. Leave your comment down below, man. Just let me know. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of these Montreal Bagel Dunks, man. Leave me a comment, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 1,000, man. Y'all help me out. Help me get there. And like I said, man, we got the Montreal Bagel Dunks. Until next time on the next video, peace.